Assalamualaikum, welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. Today I'm here. Before I go any further, I would like to thank all my brothers and sisters for giving me the full support and also for subscribing to my channel. And also I would like to thank everybody. Okay, today I think the latest recipe, the last recipe I cooked was Sora fish curry. But today I'm going to do Sora fish Puttu. That means the same fish I'm going to do Sora Puttu. To do Sora Puttu, you need this ingredient. This fish, you need the Sora fish, have the head, and I have the fish. This is the boneless, same boneless fish. I have the head, the tail, and the body. Okay, this fish I have to boil. I have to boil, and then when the fish is soft, then only I can do the puttu. I need to have this coriander leaf. I need to have this garlic paste. A little bit of this chili padi, brown curry, and one coconut scrape, onions and tomato. Okay, now I'm going to show you all what I'm going to do, how I'm going to cook this fish. To do this Sora Puttu, you have to boil the fish. Okay, when the fish is soft, then only we can do the Sora Puttu. So now I've already put water. Now the water is hot, getting hot. Now I put the fish inside. So when I put the fish inside, when it's boiled, then the skin, we can take out the skin. There the head, I'm also putting the head. No, don't throw the head. The head down is very good. There got flesh inside the head. Okay, now here, and now I will put this fish. Now you have to add a little bit of salt. Okay, add a bit of salt. Yeah, this will take about, say about 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, then after that I have to cover. So now I'm going to cover this fish. Let it boil and cook. Okay, I think the fish could have boiled. Okay, let us see whether the fish boiled already or not. Yeah. Now the fish is already boiled. You have to take and put it into the cold water. Now the fish must take and put into the cold water. Why I am putting the cold water is that it's easy to peel. Then we can smash the fish. Okay. Okay. Now the fish is in the cold water. Okay. You can leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now I think the fish now cold already. See, I also can hold it. So now I'm going to take and smash the fish. Okay. You see, I put here the fish already smashed. Okay. That means the fish is already cooked. Okay. Here, take out the skin. The purpose of putting this fish in the cold water is to remove the skin. Okay. Now to remove the skin. See here. When you put in the hot water, the skin will come out by itself. Okay. So, skin will come out. So now the skin come out. The purpose of putting it is for the skin to come out. Okay. Now you see, the skin just peels out by itself. Okay. See. 10 minutes. You all can put on 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now I've already smashed all the fish. You see now all the fish. So now what are we going to put? I have to put coconut. Give me the coconut. Okay. You have to put the coconut in the fish. Okay, the coconut. 1 spoon of chili powder. 1 spoon of cooking powder, 1 spoon of fish powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, done 1 cumin powder and black pepper. Now we have to smash the fish with the. I'm going to make puttu. This is how we make puttu. Okay. Now see, smash. Now you see I'm smashing the flesh and the. Okay. Now you see it's like this. This is called puttu. So now I have to fry it. Add in the salt. Add a little bit salt. See. I have to taste and see whether everything is okay. 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 Okay, now we have to goreng this. Now I'm going to goreng this. I'm going to fry this. Add oil. Add oil. 1, 2 spoons of oil. Like again. 2 spoons of oil. And spices. Dry chili. Then mint leaf, cumin and mint leaf. Then we have to put in curry leaf. Okay. Put in onion. Cut an onion. 1 or 2 onions out of that. Onion. Put in 1. Tomatoes. Tomato optional, you can do 1 or 2. I'll put 3 tomatoes because I like to have the taste. 2 more tomatoes, the curry is tasty. Then add in about 4 chili padi. So, now that onion is wait for onion to cook. Onion already cooked. I'm going to add this chili paste, 1 spoon of this chili paste. Okay. Fry.
Garlic paste.
Garlic paste, then fry. Okay. Once this one is cooked, when you see this one simmering like that, once it's cooked, then we add this. Okay, we add this coconut. Now we have to cook the coconut. You have to really stir the coconut, make sure that it doesn't burn. Make this coconut dry. This is called Sora Puttu. You have to fry it at least on 30 minutes until it is dry. 20 to 30 minutes.
Talk louder, Amma.
You have to fry until 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Now you see this coconut. Now I'm frying like this. It must flip. Now it's going together. Once it is dry, it will flip. Okay. Still dry. Still wet. It is still wet. You must make this dry. Sora Puttu must be dry. You must not let it burn. Must not burn. Must go slow to the fire slow and keep dry. Till it dry. Wait for it to dry. Actually, this Sora Puttu is a very traditional way. This is done those days by the old people. Now I don't know whether people do it or not, but after seeing my recipe, you all try. Try it and give me your feedback. How is it? This type of recipe all those days only people cook. People don't cook. Now we all where to this type. This is all very good for the body. So, see, now I'm waiting for it to dry. See? It comes out like that. One coming out by itself. You see? See whether it's wet or not. Yeah. Still it is wet. You can just eat this Sora Puttu with rice only. You can just eat with rice. Very tasty. Sora Puttu, Sora fish. All the best. Bring some bawang goreng. Okay, now I think, now you can take out because you see, now it's already dry. You can take out. Okay? You see how the one coming? See now they never stick, you see. See now the one is coming out like that. So now slow the fire. Now bring the tray. Okay. This is Sora Puttu. I hope all of you will try it. Try and then give me a feedback. This Sora Puttu can eat with rice, can eat with bread, can eat with chapati, can eat with dosa. Where's the bawang goreng? Then you have to put in some bawang goreng. This is called fried onions. Okay? Okay, now this is Sora Puttu. See, I've done Sora Puttu and really garnished with the fried onion. Try this. This dish is very nice. You all have to try this. I want you all to give me your feedback and also don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon.